Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create multiple accounts in Mobox. In Mobox you don't create accounts using email or password like normal game. Instead the platform uses blockchain wallet as account. That means one wallet is equals to one Mobox account. If you use another wallet address, Mobox automatically treats it as another account. Most players connect wallets such as MetaMask or True Trust wallet, and these wallets work on the BNB Smart Chain, which is the network Mobox uses. So in order to create a Mobox account, first open any of the web browsers. Since accounts are the wallets, creating multiple Mobox accounts, and in the top there's an address bar. Type down mobox.io and enter it, and over here once you reach into this interface of your Mobox, on the left hand side we can find to this box icon here just below the ammo dragon in the events. Select to this the box here, and over here in this interface of your wallet in the top right corner we can find to this connect wallet here. Select to this connect wallet over here, and over here you can select to this MetaMask or any of the mask and select to this as I'm going to select to this. And over here what you have to do is you need to scan to connect and sign in with your phone, and this is it. You can create a multiple account just like this into Mobox account, and each wallet can hold its own Momo NFTs, tokens and rewards. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and if you have any queries or confusion please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.